There is so much noise around us, literally also, but otherwise, in our life, there is so much noise. As a person, if you talk about your relationships, so much noise, so many people you know, so many people on social media, so many people on your Facebook and Instagram, this and that. Sometimes, because of all that noise, we lose the real signal. What is this signal? Signal is the thing that we need to focus on. You know, all the apparatuses around us, may it be radio, TV, even phone, they are useful only when they can catch the right signal out of so much noise. Similarly, we become useful only when we are able to catch the right signal amongst all the noise. You know, in our life, there may be hundreds of people who may want to talk to us, whom we want to talk to, yet we must understand we might not be able to talk to all of them. But there must be few, 2, 3, 4, or 5 people in our lives whom we must talk. Similarly, as a student, there is n number of things to read, n number of things to do. But how much of it is actually useful? Yes, so we have to make notes also, we have to study a number of the subjects, class notes, even we have to watch some content on YouTube, some on Instagram, some here, some there. We have to write, we have to do MCQs, and number of things we have to do. But again, out of these, there must be a priority of 3, 4 or 5 things which we must do in our 24-hour day so as to get results. You know, the real challenge is to filter out this noise. This noise is so widespread. It is so widespread that we have actually become a kind of a lost apparatus. We are just engaged, busy being busy. Somebody calls, we picks up. We are on Instagram, just scrolling. We are talking to some, so we are doing a lot of things in life, but yet things are not going according to our plan. And the reason is, you want to do something, something else comes up, and now this noise drowns your signal. So the things that you have to do drowns the very purpose of your being. We have to understand how to filter this, because if we are not able to filter, we will be confused, anxiety filled, we will be having a lot of trouble focusing, frustrated, tired, irritated, and n number of things. And this is what most of the people are facing today. They are doing the best they can, and yet when they want to see the results, they are not able to see results. And for the very simple fact, there is always paucity of time. There is always paucity of attention. They are not able to give attention to the things they should. They must. Because all the attention, all the energy, all the time is getting sucked out by irrelevant things happening in life. So now, take a break, relax, make a list of all the things you want to do today, and out of all those things, you must take out any 3 or 5 things, and out of these things, start your day with it. Do it so that you are having a satisfied feeling at the end, that this is the most important 5 things that I must do. So first focus and do them before the noise around you drowns you, before everything starts filling your day, filling your time. Take time to do those 5 things. Capture those 5 signals out of that noise to become useful. Remember, higher ratio you have signal to noise, the better. This means you are able to prioritize, you are able to focus, you are able to be productive. Lower the ratio. This means you are not able to focus, not being productive, and it is kind of a recipe to failure. So, very, very simple. Watch your attention. Where is it going? See where is it going.